Topics La Sardina and Flash DIU editing lets you embrace your creativity. Let's go start at the La Sardina and Flash DI editing is a camera that lets you design the set yourself. La Sardina has is created several camera edition that are all 50 millimeter wide, you know, not quite battery and are simple to use. The design for this camera was inspired by a Sardina can, and this new editing comes in entire white. Free face is a D according the camera is easy because it comes with a mini clear drivers that gets your face of your camera. This several is a transfer screen for pictures that bits can be inserted into. Whether you cover the font on the camera and with glitters is a spray paint, the crayon or the makers, you can utilize and personalize your camera however you like. This is a trend these themes. The first of all is a customizable camera cover. The trend of customizable camera cover allows customers to personalize these cameras. Is offering is opportunity for is innovations, customized option, and personalized is branding. The second, DI Teach. The DI Teach trend empowers the consumer to take control of their device, providing opportunity of innovations in customizable and user-friendly technology products. The creative personalization. The trend of creative personalization allow customers to express their individuality thought the customized products as creating opportunity for innovations, personalizations, technology, and unique customer experience. This is the second. This is individual applications, photography and the customers electronics and graphy is DI. DI. For thanks for watching.